Fierce conflict with Ukraine, Russian President Vladimir Putin made a big statement and named India along with China and Brazil as possible mediators to establish peace. The statement sees reflection from India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi's serious efforts for peace between the warring parties, a situation that was inflicting upon global food and energy insecurity. Here's a report.
Since the outbreak of conflict suddenly between Russia and Ukraine on February 24, 2022, Prime Minister Modi had been expressing concern on its global fallout. While reverberations on problems of such a conflict were being felt by many, it was Prime Minister Narendra Modi who took the first plunge to talk directly to Russian President Vladimir Putin and made high pitch to stop the war. On September 16, 2022, in Samarkand of Uzbekistan, Prime Minister Modi, in his bilateral meeting on the sidelines of SCO summit with Putin, said the irrelevance of the war by saying the famous words, "This is not an era of war."
आज का युग युद्ध का है नहीं और हमने फोन पर भी कई बार आपसे इस विषय में बात की है कि डेमोक्रेसी और डिप्लोमेसी और डायलॉग ये सारी बातें ऐसी हैं कि जो दुनिया को एक स्पर्श करती है। आने वाले दिनों में शांति के रास्ते पर हम कैसे बढ़ सके उसके विषय में जरूर आज हमें चर्चा करने का मौका मिलेगा। आपका व्यू पॉइंट समझने का मुझे भी एक अवसर मिलेगा।
Prime Minister Modi's bold statement was recognized and appreciated by leaders of most countries, including America. Prime Minister had used the relations between India and Russia and his own personal equation with Putin for depicting irrelevance of such a war. Prime Minister Narendra Modi kept in touch with all stakeholders of peace, including Americans and Ukrainians. Primarily, the consistency made Putin feel India can honestly play a role in the war that is in no one's benefit. On July 9, 2024, Prime Minister Modi visited Russia amidst the conflict that raised eyebrows among many. This was the time when an Ukrainian child hospital was hit by Russian missile, and PM Modi condemned this incident from Russian soil, signaling that he was not in favor of such indecent behavior amidst any conflict. On August 27, 2024, the two leaders exchanged views on the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict over a phone call. Prime Minister shared insights from his recent visit to Ukraine. He underlined the importance of dialogue and diplomacy as well as sincere and practical engagement between all stakeholders to achieve an abiding and peaceful resolution of the conflict. Before that, on his visit to Ukraine on August 24, Prime Minister Modi said that India was not neutral. In his opening remarks during talks with the Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, PM Modi said India was on the side of peace.
हम न्यूट्रल नहीं थे, हम पहले दिन से ही पक्षकार रहे हैं और हमारा पक्ष है शांति का।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi, before reaching Ukraine, was in Poland, from where he said that no problems can be solved on the battlefield. He emphasized India's support for dialogue and diplomacy for the early restoration of peace and stability.
भारत का यह दृढ़ विश्वास है कि किसी भी समस्या का समाधान रणभूमि में नहीं हो सकता। किसी भी संकट में मासूम लोगों की जान की हानि पूरी मानवता के लिए सबसे बड़ी चुनौती बन गई है। हम शांति और स्थिरता की जल्द से जल्द बहाली के लिए डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी का समर्थन करते हैं।
In between, Prime Minister Modi was also in constant touch with US President Joe Biden for creating an atmosphere of peace. Akhilesh Suman's report for DD India.